Sincerlynya coming back at you with another video. And before we get started, I want to thank y'all from the bottom of my heart for almost 500 subscribers, because we got a little over 300. Okay, we're getting there, and I just want to thank y'all from the bottom of my heart, because I don't know where y'all came from, but I was sitting at a good 50 like 2 weeks ago, and y'all just popped up, and I'm just so grateful. Like, yes, y'all love my content. Y'all love it, because I'm trying to put out some bomb content, honestly. Like, I'm trying. But enough said. I got my little journal with me because I wrote down some notes, and my laptop too, just because, you know, I might need it for the video. I wrote down some notes because the girl done did this video like 6 times already. Like, last week I tried to do it. I tried to film it early because I'm like, this week about to be busy, hectic. I got 5 classes Thursday that I ain't gonna have no room trying to, you know, film this video. So let me film it so I won't miss another week like I did before. But so yeah, let me tell y'all what the video is about. Let's get into that. This video is how I got into Howard, okay? I'm so sad because your girl ain't got her Howard shirt on today. I should wear it, but I wore it yesterday. I should have filmed my video yesterday, huh? Oh well. I'm sorry, I should have worn my Howard shirt so we could have got into the theme of this video. I'm sorry. But y'all, let's get into the video, because I know y'all trying to hear how I got into Howard. Everybody wants to know how I got into Howard. Well, I'm finna give you some tips and tricks on what I did and how you could be just like me, sitting up in here going to classes in the yard. Let's get this video started, okay? All right, so I got my journal, got some good stuff in here. All right, got some good stuff in here. Talk about future videos, huh? You talk about the dorm tour that I was filming? You talk about the dorm? You talk about the homecoming videos I'm about to film? What they talk about? Howard homecoming? Dorm tour? What's life like being at Howard, huh? Oh, hold on. Y'all ain't ready for those videos yet. Hold on. Let me get back to topic. All right. So, all right, y'all. So, let me talk to y'all real quick. I just want to say Howard has been my #1 school, like, ever. Okay? Ever. Of course, I had, you know, some things like, ooh, but I really want to go here because I think this will make me look like I'm just so smart. Like, I'm not going to say the schools. Or should I say the school? Okay, I wanted to go to Johns Hopkins before. But that's not for me. I didn't want to be institutionalized. Is that the word I'm looking for? But I didn't want something that's going to be like school, okay? All right, Howard is a school, but Howard is like a community-based school. Like, it's like, I felt at home when I came visiting here. So, it's just like, it's an HBCU, of course. It's like a party school, of course. But still, it's just like a community. Like, I don't feel like stuck here. I want to be here, okay? So, let's get that straight. This has been my #1 school. I always just like migrated towards here because this school is popping. It's lit. Please don't tell me otherwise. I don't want y'all to get in the comments talking about, but my school is lit and it's a PWI. No hate towards PWIs or any other school, but I'm just saying how it's lit is. So let's get that straight. All right, so another tip that I did, I made sure that I met all the requirements, okay? So I want y'all, if y'all watching this video right after this video, please go on the Howard website, look at what their requirements are, because I tried to follow the GPA the best as I could, the SAT scores, even though, you know, you can't really, you could try your best, but I mean, like, you could try your best to get the scores, like, if you practice, but you all don't feel like you're, you know, not going to get in if you don't have their requirements. So let me stop this video real quick and stop this talking. I'm going to get off topic, but not off topic for real. I'm gonna tell you about GPA, my SAT scores, okay? I had a 3.4 when I graduated high school. A 3.4 a 3.4 cum, okay? And I had a 1100 super score. Y'all like how I said super score. So my actual SAT scores wasn't 1100. It's just the two highest scores from both of my tests, because I only took the test 2 times. That's where I messed up. I only took it 2 times. And yeah, those 2 high scores together reached the 1100. So you get what I'm saying. It was not good. It was not good at all. So I don't want y'all to be like, oh man, like watching other people's and y'all like, oh man, she was a valedictorian of her school. Because your girl, I don't even think we had ranks. And if we did have ranks, I wouldn't even be in the 10%. But we ain't talking about me. Actually, we are talking about me. But please don't, make me look like I'm stupid. Because I could be smart. I'm smart. I'm real smart, okay? But yeah, so I don't want y'all watching other people's videos and get discouraged because they were the valedictorian or the salutatorian, or they had so many certificates and stuff like that, or they was part of many clubs and stuff, and you like, dang, let me not even try because I ain't gonna get in. Don't be like that. Do not be like that, because your girl, you heard what my stuff was, and I wasn't even ranked, because we don't do ranks at our school. I think we do ranks, and I just wasn't on the board. So, like, and I still got here because I'm gonna just tell y'all. I'm gonna give y'all some tips from a girl that wasn't even ranked. All right, y'all. As you can tell, it's the next day. Well, you probably can't tell it's the next day, but I'm telling y'all, it's the next day. And I got a different outfit on. I got my hair pulled back, and your girl ain't got no nails. Yes, it's the next day, and your girl ain't got no nails. But it's just like when one start coming off, all of them gotta go. And that's what we did. Period. But y'all, let's get back into this video. Let's get back onto topic. So I think the last thing I was talking about was super scores and the SAT and all of that jazz. But that just goes to show you that you don't have to be top of your class to get into Howard. Okay, you don't. Because I surely wasn't. I surely was not. But yeah, and also if you can, like, as soon as it opens for you to take the SAT, I cannot talk. As soon as it opens for you to take the SAT or the ACT, take it, please. Take it more than 2 times, because I'm gonna need y'all to, practice. So if you don't like a score, then you can do it over again, because your girl only had 2 chances, okay? And I applied for regular decision, so I was a procrastinator. Please don't be like me. I'm still procrastinating. Don't be like me. Be better than me. Please. Y'all, another tip that I have is please get involved, okay? Because this is what's gonna, pull you out from the rest of the crowd. Get involved. And that means community service. Please have more than 24 hours. Don't do the bare minimum. Please get more than 24 hours. Because I think I had like 40 hours of community service. Still more than 24, but it was 40. And then extracurriculars, like, do something with your time. Do something. Like, okay, you got the grades or whatever. You can have a 4.0 and not have any community. Well, you need community service to graduate. And not have been doing anything else. And what's that? Okay, you got a 4.0. Congratulations. Like, but what's so different about you and the rest of the people that got 4.0s? The people that has like a 3.4 and community service will get picked over a 4.0 with no community service or no extracurricular activities. Like, y'all, have something else on your application other than that 4.0, please. Thanks. But yeah, okay, so let me tell y'all what I did in high school. Okay, so 9th grade, I ain't do nothing. But 10th grade, I tried out for the softball team. So I was in softball 10th and 11th until your girl got her a job and couldn't play softball no more. But so I did get my first job in 10th grade. It was at Rita's. That was the first job, and that joint was like it was some good money though. I can't even complain. So I did work while I was in high school. I think I had like 4 jobs when I was in high school, but not all at the same time. Okay, not all at the same time. But so I worked. I did play softball, so I had that on my application, and I was in the culinary arts program in 11th grade, not 12th grade, because your girl had a half day and she had to pick one or the other. But I was in culinary arts in 11th grade, and I did have a lot of community service hours, because, you know, that's crucial, because Howard is a community service based school, as you will. Like, it's, yeah. I volunteered at churches and stuff like that, so that's how I got my community service hours. I volunteered at the daycare, the churches, I tutored people, you know. I just did all of that stuff. You don't have to be a tutor. You don't have to go volunteer at a church. You don't have to do all that. You can help, like, in your school. Like, you know how they be having community service hours that you could get opportunities and stuff like that? Do that. Do that. Yeah, just get involved in your high school. Thanks. All right, y'all. So the moment y'all been waiting for, we reached the end of this video. And before I end this video, I'm going to give y'all my essay, okay? I'm going to read y'all my essay. I'm not going to read the whole thing because I don't want to bore y'all to death, but, you know, this is what I wrote, and it's pretty boring, you know? It's really boring. But I think this essay was about science, because that's what I put in the daggone subject space. So, yeah, I'm gonna just read the intro because y'all just need an idea of what to do. And I don't want y'all stealing my daggone essay. Y'all better not steal my essay. I'm not playing, because I will find out. This is just to help y'all, to guide y'all on how to write a beautiful essay. Because it's pretty beautiful. It's like, but let's begin. All right, beginning from a very young age, I've always possessed a strong desire to pursue a career within the medical field. Nevertheless, I've always been fascinated by the components and the structure of the human body. I yearn to acquire knowledge specifically about the reproductive system and how each element impacts the health and well-being of the human body. Gaining the opportunity to be surrounded by a wealth of knowledge, great leadership, and hard work, I believe at Howard University, I will accomplish the dream of becoming an obstetrician and gynecologist, destined to become one of the greatest. And on that note, I would like to say thank you all for tuning in to my video of how I got to the Howard University, you know, the illustrious Howard University. Please like this video if you liked it. Comment down some video ideas or even questions, more questions. If you have questions, I will answer them, okay? Because I'm thinking about doing a whole Q&A video, okay, about anything. You can ask me something personal. You can ask me something about Howard. You can ask me something about anything, all right? So just comment down any questions if you want me to do a whole video about that. And, yeah, please subscribe. Share with your friends, because, share with your friends, please. Maybe. Just a little bit. No? Okay. All right. But, y'all, I didn't fucking call you, Alexa.
I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. Take a look at the help section in your Alexa app.
Bruh, she be thinking I call her. Like, I think it's because I bumped the table or whatever, but she just been really, like, irritating lately. But anyway, y'all, that's the end of the video. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.